Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can completely disconnect your AirPods Pro, these are the first generation, from your account and also reset them so you can sell them on to somebody else or give them away to someone else. So right now these are connected to this iPad. The same process applies whether it's an iPad, iPhone, etc. We're going to go into settings, which is the gear icon, and we're going to go into the AirPods themselves, or you can get into them via the Bluetooth menu. Once you're in the AirPods menu here, go right the way to the very bottom and there's an option to forget this device. So we're going to press that and it says forget no waffling, forget device. This will remove no waffling from all devices signed into your iCloud account. So we're going to go to forget device there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually reset them here, because otherwise when the new buyer gets them, it's going to still be named as no waffling. So there's a little button just here and we need to press and hold that for about 15 seconds, and what will happen is eventually it will go to an amber light, then back to white, then we know it's been reset. So let's zoom right in on this now and you'll be able to see the light. So I'm pressing and holding this button right now, so I'm pressing and holding it, keep an eye on the light. So it's still flashing white, I'm still holding it. Takes a good 15 seconds. Still pressing it. There you go, it's gone to amber. Keep holding it. Now it's gone back to white. They have now been reset, so we can now let go. Make sure you let it go back to white after the amber. Now check this out. When the new buyer gets them, they're going to open up the case. And now it's not going to come up with the name anymore. So if we go to connect, and if I go into settings here, AirPods Pro, you can see the name now is just down as AirPods Pro here. It's not down as no waffling anymore. So you can see that they have been reset. Nice and straightforward to do. Thanks for watching.